Hey guys, my name is Chris, and welcome to the Modern Diver YouTube channel. This is my new channel dedicated to teaching you guys how to dive in the modern era. I work as a professional scuba instructor, and I have been in the dive industry for about 8 years now. I am also personally certified in technical decompression and cave diving techniques. I figured with my access to the industry, I'd be able to create a channel to help you guys learn how to dive like modern day explorers. If this is something that interests you, don't forget to follow along, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys underwater.